On a related note, a pair of researchers from A&M Corpus Christi who are tracking the pandemic made a presentation to local leaders today. And as our Seth Kovar reports, they say we're at a tipping point now for controlling the spread of the COVID-19 virus.
The researchers had several findings, but they kept going back to social distancing, like staying at home. They say it's working, and we should continue to practice it for the foreseeable future.
We're right on the tipping point between beating this and it's spreading even more.
And it's why Texas A&M Corpus Christi researchers say we can't let our guard down when it comes to avoiding one another.
Social distancing is going to prevent a disaster at the hospitals.
That's the focus of what he and several other people at TAMUCC are working on. They're comparing models from several sources to see if our current COVID-19 containment methods are working and if the local healthcare system can keep up.
We're very interested in what can we handle with our hospital infrastructure here in Corpus Christi. And so that's going to be the focus.
They're also focused on the worst case scenario so we can prepare for it and hope for the best. With that in mind, check out these numbers. When the virus peaks, even with social distancing, the researchers say the coastal bend will have between 10,000 and 87,000 cases. But compare that to if we did nothing. 300,000 cases, or half of the population. And that's not all.
We're looking at over 5,000 projected fatalities for what would happen if we did nothing.
So far, the coastal bend has 0 fatalities from COVID-19, and this partnership between the college, city, and county would like to keep it that way. It's why schools remain closed, restaurants takeout only, and families ordered to stay home.
When you see that we're saving lives in the future, it really makes it a lot easier to tolerate and to be able to say, okay, this policy works.
One finding the researchers couldn't pinpoint is when we'll be able to stop social distancing and get out of the house more. It could be months before we're in the clear. Reporting in Corpus Christi, Seth Kovar, KRIS 6 News.